Hello friends, I am Vishal Ganbote, and in this video we will discuss the information about OSI model and all the information about its 7 layers. Now we will understand application layer. Application layer provides interface to user for to access the network. It also provides different protocols to user for data transfer like SMTP, HTTP, and FTP. If user want to send mail from one system to another, then application layer provides SMTP protocol, that is simple mail transfer protocol. If user want to send file from one system to another system, then application layer provides FTP protocol, that is file transfer protocol. And for accessing web page securely, application layer provides HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol to user. After the application layer, data reaches to presentation layer. The functions of presentation layer are data translation, data encryption, and data compression, also data reformatting. In data translation, presentation layer converts the data into a compatible format so it can be correctly understood by different systems. In data encryption, presentation layer encrypts the data to ensure secure transmission between systems. And in data compression, presentation layer reduces the size of data for efficient transmission and storage. In data encryption, data is converted into using encryption algorithm. uh, Data is converted into a form that during data transmission, if data is hacked, then it should not be readable by hackers. After the presentation layer, data reaches to the session layer. In session layer, functions of session layer are to establishing session between two systems, to create checkpoints during data transmission, and to end the session after session completion. After the session layer, data reaches to transport layer. Transport layer is a service to service layer. The transport layer ensures reliable and accurate delivery of data between devices. It breaks the data into segments and checks for errors. It controls flow of data and retransmits the lost data. It uses two protocols, that is TCP and UDP. TCP protocol is connection oriented protocol, and UDP protocol is connection less protocol. After the transport layer, data reaches to network layer. Network layer is third layer of OSI model. It is responsible for moving the data from one network to another. This layer uses IP addresses to identify devices and chooses best path for data to travel. This process is called as routing. After the network layer, data reaches to data link layer. The data link layer is the second layer of OSI model. It is responsible for node-to-node communication. That is, it moves the data between two devices on same network. This layer also add MAC addresses to identify devices and checks for errors during data transmission. After the data link layer, data reaches to physical layer. Physical layer is the first layer of OSI model. It deals with the actual hardware and physical connection between devices like cables, switches, and signals. This layer is responsible for transmitting the raw bits, that in the form of zeros and ones, over medium as electrical signal, light signal, or radio waves. If medium is wired, then data is transmitted in the form of electrical signal. If data is if medium is wireless, then data is transmitted in the form of uh, radio waves. And in fiber optic cable, data is transmitted in the form of light waves. So in this video we discussed all the information about 7 layers of OSI model. Thank you.